Victoria County Commissioner Kenneth Sexton is pushing to fix J2 Ranch Road near Inez, which was damaged during the construction of the new Hickory Solar farm. Heavy equipment tore up the road, and even now that construction is finished, it is still in rough shape. Commissioner Sexton says New Hickory first refused to help with the road repairs, but after threat of a lawsuit, they agreed to pay $42,000. But the county has not seen a dime of that yet. A scheduled virtual meeting with the company also went nowhere.